never grew up with motorcycling at all. The only thing I saw was motorcycles on the road, and I thought, yep, that looks fun, not knowing at all that that would be in my future. I was working 9 to 5. I was an executive secretary in a corporate world, which I was good at and I enjoyed it. And then I needed more. One day I heard this rumble of a motorcycle. I knew what it was, but there was something, an aura about me. It gave me goosebumps. My girlfriend was 50, and she said, come on, let's go riding. So I said to my husband, I'm gonna get my motorcycle license. Something was pushing me towards that. So at 49, I said, there's a class at Harley, and I said, I'm gonna do it. Because it wasn't a midlife crisis, it was a midlife awakening. And as soon as I got to the class, I felt free. I had to keep going. It's made me appreciate what I can do physically, and it's opened my eyes to nature. My first bike was a Sportster, 2 wheels, and then I went to a Heritage, and then I had 2 Street Glides, and then I had hip replacement surgery in October, and I thought, no, this is not the end of my riding career, but I couldn't ride. So we came back home, and my husband said, why don't we get you a freewheeler, a trike? I am early 60s now, and I don't know what I'd do without the last, 13 years that I rode. I found out who I was and who I am for the second half of my life, and I like that.